Today we talk about how can you add your birthday on your Waplog app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on birthday, click here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. And here can you change or add your birthday here. So when you're down, you just click here on down here. Then it's going to add with you. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,